it will overwhelm you. So to get to the fullest. Nasethiwa sowugcwele uziyachichima. Le nto kusho ukuthi it moves beyond your capability, beyond your strength, because it's a spiritual thing. It moves you beyond what you can do. So to get your fullest. The more you think of him, is the more he draws you closer. The more you think his word, you think him in prayer, That's what I do. That's why I'm troubled on saying I think prayer like water. I think prayer like what? Like water. Mphuza prayer, ngathi mphuza amanzi. Amathanzi ngathavelela ngalonke. Before shoni la ngisolution ngizobekitholi. Before shoni ongcwele uzongitshela uyongikhombida nami ngengayinaki ungcwele athi kuba lapho. How? Le nto belapha mara ngisimanga sokuthi mina bengiku flesh bengekho in the spirit. So the more you praying, you are traveling, you are moving closer to the presence of the Holy Spirit. Now ufika kule ndawo la mongcwele ukhona khona. Your eyes are becoming opened. Nento ongayiboni already so uyayibona. Nento nokucabanga ukuthi ayina value unayo endlini already yashintsha lesibanani even the value. Why? You are getting closer to the presence of the Holy Spirit. Then the Holy Spirit open your eyes. Holy Spirit open your eyes.